We can find out the price relatives as the base of 1992. That is the continuation of the problem. Price relative. We can take as base 1992. 1992 in rupees. Okay. Next, we can take the third one, that is average of 1989, 1990, 1988. Okay. Here, first we can find out price relative. The price relative formula is equal to current price by base price into 100. That is nothing but P1 by P0 into 100. Here, what we can take the current price? Current price is for all the years, but base price is 1992. What is the base price? This is the base price. We can take 6 by 10 into 100 equal to 7 by 10 into 100 equal to 7 by 10 into 100 equal to 8 by 10 into 100 equal to 10 by 10 into 100 equal to 14 by 10 into 100 equal to 12 by 10 into 100 equal to 13 by 10 into 100 equal to 14 by 10 into 100 equal to 15 by 10 into 100 equal to, here 60, 70, 70, 80, 0 cancel for all, it's 100. This is 140, it is 120, 130, 140, 150. 150. These are the relative years, relative price as base year 1992. Next, we can take average. Okay, average of, the third question is take the average of 1988, 1989, and 1990. 1990. We can take the values of 1988, 1989, 1990. What are the values? These three. 6 plus 7 plus 7. How many years we are taking? 3 years. That is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 7 by 3. It is equal to 20 by 3 equal to 6.66 is the base. Okay, here we can take the base is P0 is equal to 6.66. Next, we can find out the second one. That is the price relative take as base 1988, 1989, and 1990. Okay, now we can take, what is the formula? P1 by P0 into 100. Here, what is the P0? 6.66 is the P0. Okay, here 6 by 6.66 into 100. 7 by 6.66 into 100. 7 by 6.66 into 100. 8 by 6.66 into 100. 10 by 6.66 into 100. 14 by 6.66 into 100. 12 by 6.66 into 100. 13 by 6.66 into 100. 14 by 6.66 into 100 equal to 15 by 6.66 into 100. Using the calci and find out the simplification of this. 6 by 6.66 into 100 equal to 90.09. It is equal to it's a simplification. The value is 105.10.
105.10.
Next 105.10. 8 by 6.66 into 100 is 120.12. 10 by 150.15. 210.21 to 180.18. 195.19. 210.21. 225.22. Okay, here when we are taking 6.66, then we get these values. If the current after the average, we are getting the 6.666, it's a continuation of the value. We can correct for 2 decimal places, that is 6.67. Okay, we can take 6.67. And when you are using the 1 decimal place means you are use the 6.7. Okay. If we can correct 1 decimal means after getting, if they are asking the sum, then we can sum it and correct it to 1 decimal, we get this correct answer. Okay, this is the way. Average means we don't confuse, just take the average, whatever the value we are getting, that as the base, that is the P naught value.